Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video here on SwellHub. My name is Gibmoses, and in today's video, let's take a look at Litecoin against the USD. I'm going to be using our major resistance level that we need to draw out. So right here we have our major resistance. As you can see, we have a support level right over here. And our most recent fractal, our most recent support would look something like this. So this is a quick introduction to all the new people out there, people that have never traded before. Your basic foundation of support and resistance. I'm going to go through them real quick. A resistance level tends to be where sellers sell. This is where people are taking profits. And vice versa, you have a support level. Now a support level is the complete opposite. It's where buyers are stepping into the market and they're buying, and vice versa, resistance level is where they sell. So here's an example. Let's say price action triggered the resistance level. This would be an indication that you sell because we're headed towards our support level. Support level is our demand zone. Therefore, it would mean that we go further up towards our seller pressure zone, and vice versa, the rally repeats. You sell at the red line or the resistance line, and you buy at the support level. Now, such support and resistance, they can be drawn in any way. Alright, as long as you find multiple touches on the support level, that's an indication that it was a support level. Ideally, I like finding 3 touches before confirming a support level, similar to what we had with our second fractal and our first fractal. Now in this case, what we have is a resistance to the upside. Along with a support level, which I'm gonna go ahead and highlight in green. I'll be showing you where exactly this support level is in just a minute. So as we can see from our previous example below, we triggered our resistance level, which indicated seller pressure, and then we went down, triggered our support level, which in other words is our demand zone. Investors are buying. And then we went back up with our second fractal. We triggered our seller pressure zone, and down we went for a major support level. And right now we're back at a resistance level, which indicates that there is a possibility of sellers stepping in, which might take Litecoin price to this support level. Now, where exactly is this support level? We're gonna go ahead and find 3 touches, just like that. You can see how in previous history this level has acted as a support level. We have our first touch, we have our second touch, we have our third touch, we have multiple touches in fact, which tends to trigger a rally to the upside. And now just to confirm, and I mean it's obvious from the chart that this is our resistance level, because once again we have multiple touches. We have our 1, 2, 3, confirming it's a resistance level. And you can see how price action rallies to the downside. So sooner or later, the question is, in the coming days, if price action continues getting rejected at such level, this would mean that Litecoin is headed for further price action to approximately $70. Now, something I want to mention about the support and resistance level, they don't always play within the range. Alright, just because we found a support and resistance does not mean price action is not programmed to break above or below these support levels. There are times where the algorithm, just like it is attempting right now, there are times where the algorithm might try to attempt and break above a support or resistance. In such case, if a resistance level is broken and held above, which is possible, then expect further price action to approximately the 1.618 fib level at around 118. Again, that's if this resistance breaks above and holds above as a support, which is attempting right now. Personally, the way the algorithm has been playing out lately, our Elliott wave structures, as I mentioned in the gold membership group, you know exactly what's about to happen in the short term. So let's assume for any reason price action is not able to make a high above our resistance level, it remains getting rejected, then this would be our indication that we're headed towards $73, give or take. If $73 breaks below, then do expect further price action to the downside. I'm not gonna focus too much on our bear scenario just because overall the market has been bullish. Therefore, let's focus on this 1.618 fib level at around $120 zone. Afterwards, we'll see how the algorithm plays out. My gold members, I'll keep you posted with everything that happens within the shorter time frame on what I believe will happen, whether it's to the upside or to the downside. Exciting days ahead. Our buy positions on Litecoin were all the way at $50 as well as $60. I've been mentioning in the Discord that Litecoin has triggered the bottom. That is in the current time frame. So we'll see how this market plays out. If you guys have any further questions, as always, shoot your messages in the Discord and I'll be more than happy to help. Without further ado, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.